One is in reference to my baby and to my partner, my husband. So the first video I had prior to this one, it was what I had in my bag. And this video is what I'm gonna have in my partner's bag and what I'll bring for my baby. So I'm having a little boy, so I'll have little boy stuff. And sometimes my dogs, this one right here is Hamlet, he might join in on the videos. Alright, so what I have in my little Connor's bag, and I'm going to just use a suitcase, nothing too fancy. My first thing for me is I'm going to use one of those name boards. I really like them, and I'm going to have it pre-done, so I don't know when the baby will be born and the weight, but I'll have like it pre-situated, so when I go to the hospital I don't have to do everything on it, just like put in the weight, the ounces and the inches and the time, and then that kind of would be set. So oh yeah, and put the time in it. That's a good one. Forgot the time. So for example, like I did most of it, but I forgot to put in time. So these little things have, you just kind of put time. It's kind of neat. Hamlet wants to get in on it too. He wants to be part of the action. And it's just maybe so you don't have to do everything at that time, you know what I mean? And then you got the numbers, and it has a lot of stuff, so it's pretty cool. Put those in a Ziploc bag, all the extra numbers and stuff. I'm not like messing with it like the whole time. It doesn't kind of irritate me or stress me out. Keep the cover over it. Hannah thinks it's a treat right now, but it's not. Alright, so there's that. Then, for little Connor, I have a baby book. So I have a lot of baby books that I can bring. There's a lot of items that can be done. Other things that I'm bringing will be, for Connor's side, there is, I have a list. So you want to make sure you have your car seat and your stroller. The car seat, you want to make sure you know how to put it into the car. You want to make sure you know how to put your baby in the car. Or they'll teach you at the hospital. Have a copy of your pediatrician's information and let the pediatrician know that you're going to the hospital. My next spot would be have a bottle. You want to bring one baby bottle with you, just to test out if needed, if that's something that you prefer. I'm going to try to breastfeed and bottle feed. In Hamlet, he's so interested. Have an extra bag to take home, so bring an extra like kind of like laundry bag or anything, because they'll always give you extra supplies like diapers and just things for you in maternity and postpartum. It's always helpful. Have a bodysuit, so I'm gonna have a blanket for him. I'm gonna have muslin blankets, these little muslin ones. Have an outfit for pictures, you know, like a cute little outfit. Have some onesies, but make sure that they're different sizes. You know, make sure it's just like you got the 0, a preemie, or like, you know, like 0 to 3 months, 3 months, and a preemie, or just like, you know, and the singles and a design one, just so that, you know, when you're there, you don't know how big the baby will be. He might be really big, he might be really small. And then a couple of those burp blankets are helpful. I have some muslin ones. I put some towels in here too, just like white washcloths. 3 different outfits. They said hats and socks. So hats and socks, I put them in a Ziploc bag. So I put a little, couple socks, a hat, and I put a nursing cover in here. I also put some nail clippers, and I'll put those on the on the list and registry so you can see. In here, on this Ziploc bag, I put some aromatherapy I put masks because we have COVID, time, so I put masks for coverage. And then here I have like a little baby set. So this baby set has body wash, body lotion, it's got diaper ointment, it has sunscreen even, and this one's California Baby. Put that in the link below. So if you want to subscribe to the channel or you just want to look, I'll put it in the link below. And this one I really like. It has calendula, which is a natural healing for scrapes and rashes and stuff like that, and it's a natural plant, so I'm a big fan of it, and it's really helpful for the skin and all natural. So I can have that, and then put this in the Ziploc just in case it spills. So then there's that. So these are the stuff for the baby. You don't want it to get all over. Oh, there's Noodle. She wanted to come and join me. So I think that's all baby stuff. 3 muslin blankets, a few onesies, and a manual breast pump. So the manual breast pump I have is it's pretty easy to use, handheld. They have one called Hanukkah, but I got one from Bumblebee manual pump. Wasn't too expensive. I'll put that in the link below. Seems pretty easy to use. And they said it helps get that extra, first milk that you get. So that's the baby side. And since my husband's not too complex, he has his own little side. He's pretty simple. Simple. For the most part, he's pretty simple. So toiletries for him. Shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, some cream, some just cologne if you needed. In addition, I put a laundry bag for him, so just like, an extra bag. I put in here for him a pillowcase, a blanket, so we'll have another part pillowcase blanket. It brings laptop, chargers, again, long extended chargers like I had in my bag. Other things he would need would be like headphones, snacks. So snacks, things that are easy, like Kind bars, fruit nuggets, things that are very non-perishable. PJs, jeans, sweatpants, toiletries, like I said, maybe even a razor if he needs. Socks, shirts, bathing trunks, if he thinks he's gonna help me out in the shower, maybe. They said change. I've heard camera batteries, that it's really helpful. So I put that on this side, boxers, shorts. It's in the summer for us, so we're gonna kind of do that. Little sweatpants on this side. So for the most part, his bag is situated, and little Connor's bag situated. The only thing I haven't done yet is I think maybe figuring out the outfit that we'll do for pictures. But for the most part, I feel great because prepping and preparing really gives you a little bit of an idea of what you need. At this time now, we're still in that COVID stage, so they said once we go in, we can't come out to get anything. So say I had forgot something at home, they won't let us go back out to get it. So it's going to be pretty important for him and I to make sure we have things that we need. We want to just make sure that we're prepared. And I like to have, at least of the basic things, so I'm not as worried or concerned. Everybody's different. You may bring nothing, you may bring a couple things, but I just think it's helpful. So that is the bag for Connor and for Philip, my husband. And if you have any questions, I'm going to put all the items on my the link there on the bottom of my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe or just look under the link, and I'll put in all the different parts, socks and all the things for Connor, my little baby boy. If you have a baby girl, you might have something different you want to add. If there's other items you think you might need, please feel free to let me know. And I'll talk with you soon. I hope this helps, and namaste. Thanks for watching, and I hope some of these items have been helpful for you. Don't mind me. I'm pretty full term there. Getting there. I'm 34 weeks now. So it's coming along. But you guys have a wonderful day, and it's very nice to meet you. If I haven't, connect with me, comment, and love to get to know any of you. My YouTube channel, and if not, my website is damarismaria.com.